looks so weird. Guys, are you seeing that? It's like slime. It's like Play-Doh. I'm trying that. Can I try?
Yeah, one sec.
Is it gonna come off my arms and hands?
Yeah.
Now it feels like cornstarch. I was like, are you sure I can stop? Think.
I rubber band and squeeze it in your hand.
No, my nose is itchy. Okay, guys, watch this. Big chunk, and I'm just gonna squeeze in my hand so you guys can see that's like that. But when I let go, it just turns back into liquid. Watch. So I'm squeezing it, and all I think that it's like that. But then when I let go, it's just liquid dripping down my hands.